Alright, so we just went on this hallway right here to find Nordyne air conditioners. This is what I actually found. That's the only one running. Model number is JS5BD-030KB. Serial number is JS F1109000439. It's from 2011. And oh my god, that is snow. That's snow right here. Look at that. The suction line's all cold and sweaty. And when you touch it, it melts off like this. So that's the easiest way to clean the snow out. So I believe this thing's melting off. Look at that. Even my friend is cleaning that. Bro, the compressor's all busted.
Yeah, you have to wait for it to turn off, put a cloth around the stickers.
Bro, I hope that defrost.
Because that could actually, like, mess it up.
Yeah, the fan motor's probably replacing something. 2011 Nordyne.
There's a GMC.
That's a piece of crap. I'm not even gonna read that. Hey, wow, that is damaged. This is a damaged Nordyne. Look at the coil guard. Look at that. The panel right here is.
Look at this.
Alright. Look at that. That is damaged right here. Look at this. But it's still working fine, obviously, so it's just a Nordyne. Right here we have a Rheem air conditioner. That's the straight cool unit, and it looks like it's currently off. Model numbers 14AJ-M25A01. Serial numbers W251407-450 from 2014, and it's a Rheem.
Look at this.
What?
Over here. The leaf is white.
So it might be like, might be Santa nowhere. That's a piece of crap Goodman. I believe it's a heat pump. There's a reserve valve. But yeah, that's a frozen Nordyne. It just probably melted off quickly or something like that. You can't even take it out that easy. It's a frozen Nordyne.
Let's see what's under this thing over there.
What under?
Yes.
It's literally like nothing over here, but. So yeah, 2011 Nordyne air conditioner. Wait, if this is a heat. No, that's actually a straight cool unit. 2011 Nordyne straight cool unit that the suction line was all frozen and it's running. Over and out.